Ningbo Uting Electronic Company Limited, established in 2010, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of radio remote control, elevator overload systems, and phase relays. We are located in Ningbo with convenient transportation, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including automatic chip mounter, reflow oven, etc. As one of the biggest radio remote control supplier in China, we have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. In order to supply the best products and services, we have built a modern quality management system and have got ISO 9001 certificate, which is in strict accordance with international standards. Because of large overseas markets, most of our products have got CE, FCC certificates. Our products are exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Middle East, and South Asia. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about the requirements. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and bring you the satisfied products.